I'm going to show you how to get this flawless face base down. Wow. Okay, this lash is really bothering me, and like you can probably see it looks stupid because it's coming off, but like, oh, now it looks even more wonky. Okay, it has to go back on. We'll just deal with it. Anyways, so if you want to see how to get this perfect, flawless face base, yeah, if you want to get this flawless face base, keep watching. So I am going to start off with the Benefit Professional Primer in my T-zone. Right now I'm not really using a primer anywhere else on my skin, just in my T-zone. And you're just gonna put that in your T-zone, like I said. And next I'm going to be applying the Fenty Beauty foundation, which is very unreasonably priced, let me just say. And that is in the shade 300, which is a little not my color, but we make it work. So for my foundation, I use some Tarte brush. I'll link it below. I can't remember what it's called, but yeah. This foundation also oxidizes, so it gets darker after you put it on. But I make it work. I literally hate that I love this foundation so much. It's so expensive, and I know I'm never gonna buy it again because it's so expensive and I barely wear foundation. But like, there's always a good alternative to a high-end product. There's basically a dupe for everything. You know, you don't have to pay this much money for a foundation. Eyelash coming off. Okay. Classy. Okay, next. So next I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 20. And I'm actually going to stop using Maybelline because they test on animals. They're not cruelty free, so it's nice while it lasted, but I'm not going to be purchasing anything else Maybelline. So I feel like I do things weird. And then I'm going to take the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush and just start by kind of like dabbing, just to work it into the skin, and then just use little circular motions to blend it out. Now I'm going to be taking the RCMA No Color Powder and just a knockoff beauty sponge, I think from Amazon, and I'm going to bake under my eyes. This is also the worst packaging ever. Yep, powder's getting on me everywhere, and I don't care. I'm hungry. What time is it? I personally don't use concealer for any other areas of my face, not usually, unless I'm taking like a makeup picture and I want it to look absolutely flawless. So if you wanted, you could put concealer here, down your nose, on your cupid's bow, and on your forehead. I'm not gonna do that because I'm perfect and I don't have to. I'm like not funny. So we're gonna let that bake for a few minutes, probably about 5 minutes. I'm probably not gonna wait that long, but you should wait like 5 minutes. Just saying. My friend just uploaded a YouTube video. I'm so annoying. I annoy myself. Sorry. So now I'm going to brush this bake away. Bake away. So I'm just going to use a powder brush. So that basically brightens up the under eyes so you look like you are not tired at all, even though you truly are and you just want to sleep. Okay, now I'm going to use cream products, so that's why I only baked under my eyes and I didn't like what's it called, I didn't set the rest of my face with powder because I'm going to be using some cream products. So first I'm using the MAC Cream Color Base in Midtone Sepia. I'm using that for bronzer. I don't know what I dropped earlier. I dropped my camera lens, and that's really traumatic to me. What? Okay, I'm losing my actual mind. So I'm going to dip my brush. What is this? I think this is a buffer brush. Yeah, this is a buffing brush from Real Techniques. Just dip it in there and then put it on the back of my hand so it's not as dark. And then I'm going to bronze with it. So I kind of tap it in. And then once I have the color there, I'm going to blend it in some more. And like with this specific product, you really need to tap it off on your hand. Why is there a hair? Okay, so now I'm going to take the brush, clean it on my pants because that's how I do things. And then I'm just going to go in little circles and blend it out. And now I'm going to contour. I'm using the Milk Makeup Bronzer Stick. I'm using it as highlight because I got the darker color. There's an individual eyelash stuck to this. I love that. Anyways, so now I'm going to take the contour and contour certain places. You can see where I contour. So I'm going to do right here to give it a lot of depth right in my, what is this called? Cheekbone? Yeah. A little bit up here because my forehead is huge and we're going to make it a little smaller. Okay, and now little circle, blend this. Look at that cheekbone. Oh, now the rest of the products I'm going to be using are powder products. So I'm just going to set the rest of my face with the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm not going to bake it. I'm just going to set it with this little powder brush here. Looks like powdered sugar. And I kind of want to eat it. But I know I shouldn't do that. Then I'm just going to sweat my whole face. Oh my god, I didn't contour my nose. Kill me now. Let me just set my forehead and we're gonna contour. I don't have my contour brush up here either. What the heck? I'm getting wrinkles. I'm going to take my finger and bake right in between my eyebrows because I'm getting a huge wrinkle. And like, I don't want to see that. Eve, I got it in my eyebrow. I'm such a mess right now. I don't have my nose contour brush, so I'm just, against my better judgment, I'm just going to use my fingers because I'm honestly too lazy to go get my contour brush. I'm always preaching at people to use brushes, but like, I'm so lazy. So I'm just going to go down the corner of my nose with my bronzer thing because it's not too dark like the contour. Oh, that looks like poo. I'm very sad to tell you I still have the wrinkle between my eyes. It's actually not a wrinkle, it's just makeup built up between my eyes. And I didn't get to it in time. Now, blush. I'm going to be using the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. I'm gonna use a mixture of this orangey color and this browny pinky purple. I don't think I know my colors. And I'm literally gonna use just a little more orange because I love orange tone blushes. Tap that off so that it doesn't look stupid, and just put a little bit on. And next we gonna add the highlighter, and I'm going to use my makeup brush highlighting brush, cheek highlight brush. This is the best highlight brush ever. Fan brushes are a waste of money. If you have a fan brush, get a brush like this. Unless it works for you. But like brushes like these just work so much better for highlighter. Like something that's not a fan brush. Anything that's not a fan brush is my book. Okay, so I'm using the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder, and I'm gonna highlight. And then I'm going to set my face with Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. If any of these products aren't cruelty free or vegan, let me know so I can stop using them. And I look like the beauty gurus. They look like so amazing when they do this. Okay. That wasn't pretty. So that is the end of my video. I hope you found this useful. I would say that this isn't like an everyday makeup thing, but if you're gonna be like taking pictures or filming a video, this is a really good option. Other than the RCMA No Color Powder, because I think it has flashback. Actually, it says it won't have flashback, but it has silica in it, so it probably will cause flashback. So if you are taking flash photography, just maybe switch it out for a powder that doesn't have silica in it. So for flash photography, just switch out the powder. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you learned something. This eyelash is wonky, just ignore it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on my bell notification so you get notified when I post. It will literally go straight to your phone or your computer and it'll be like, hey, she just uploaded a video, how cool. So yeah, make sure you follow all of my social media. Everything is under Ms. Luck. So I hope you liked this video and I hope to see you in my next video.